Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Saji Learning for Learning French. In this video, we are going to explore an essential aspect of French grammar, which is conjugating of the verb that ends in ER. So by the end of this video, you will be able to conjugate all kind of verbs that ends in ER. So subscribe to learn more. Many verbs in French end in ER and they make the largest group of regular verbs in French. To conjugate the verb in the present form, you need to remove ER ending and then replace it with different forms of ending according to the subject. As an example, let's take the verb parler. Je parle, remove ER at the end and add I. Tu parles, IS. Il, elle parle, I. Nous parlons, ONS. Nous parlons, IZ. Il, elle parle, INT. Pay attention to one point. Some verbs in French, the same as the verb aller, ends in ER, but the conjugation is completely different. In another video, we will work on that. In the comments, can you conjugate the verb écouter in French? I am waiting for your answers. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends.